Hey everybody, this is Jill for today, and that's the director here.
Hello.
We are doing a product review taste test on the Kitehill plain yogurt, which of course is a non-dairy plant-based yogurt. We have searched, every plain plant-based yogurt, and they're all terrible. We've just felt they are terrible. Now we had the Kitehill tortellini the other night.
They were very good.
And they were excellent. They had their kind of a ricotta cheese on the inside, and they were very, very good. Anyway, Kitehill plant-based yogurt made with almond, milk, and soy. It's 15 grams of protein, and non-GMO. It's vegan. It's not organic, which is really hard to find with
Jill
yogurts.
is the big yogurt eater in our family.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
I don't eat a ton of yogurt unless
Here's
it's
your
mixed in with something.
All right, so
But I did eat a lot of plain yogurt as a youngster, and I enjoyed that tanginess to plain yogurt.
now this has, I don't know whether you can see it or not, it has a very tan color. It's not like, it's not white.
Which to me is off-putting, but
Yeah, it is.
it's the flavor that
And
matters.
we don't eat plain yogurt as plain yogurt. I put it in things.
It's got that tang,
It's got the tang.
but it's got
Dusty.
it's dusty, and there's that, I don't know whether it's a soy taste or, you said it was an almond yogurt, right?
It's almond. What did I tell you now? It was almond and soy.
It's definitely got the tang like a
Definitely.
dairy yogurt. But there's something about it that I'm not crazy about.
It's
It is dusty.
It's dusty. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Dusty. It has kind of a grainy kind of quality to it, like someone put dust in it.
To
Now-
me, it kind of tastes like it's been sitting around the barn for a while.
Now let me ask you: if I was to hide this in a recipe,
I don't know.
yeah.
Yeah.
But it sure does have that tang.
Yeah, it does.
I'm very impressed with that part of it. But yeah, that dustiness thing, I don't know.
Yeah.
Well,
And I don't like the way it feels
oh,
in your throat and towards the back of your throat.
I didn't.
There's that dustiness, and it's reminiscent of when I used to go into my mother's barn and smell all the
Oh no,
hay and
really?
the taste of
Oh,
it.
how interesting is that? I mean, whatever. Okay, well, anyway, this
And we
is-
love Kitehill products.
we do. It's the Greek style Kitehill. It's mixed. I like the tang of it very
I do,
much.
too.
It's like the best we've
But
had.
I don't like this
And I don't have that
residual
right now.
taste
Yeah.
I have in my mouth.
But it is kind of dusty.
But like I said, she's the big yogurt person in our family.
Well, and I'll try to hide it a little bit here. What I like to do is try to cut mayonnaise with yogurt, or I also make a cashew cream that I'll cut this,
I
cut
love
the,
her cashew cream,
Yeah.
but your cashew cream's a lot whiter than that.
Well,
too.
yeah, it is. It is. It's not pure
Is it
white,
a-
but it's
Is it a? Well, it's cashew.
cashew.
This is almond, right?
right. This is almond and soy.
Could have something to do with the difference.
Well, I don't know whether I think we've probably hit the mother load as far as how good we're going to get with plain yogurts. Anyway, we thought we'd let you guys know I was going to use it in a recipe today, and I still might, and see how that turns out. But anyway, we just thought we'd bring you along for the taste test, and that's it for now. We will see you all soon. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.